Hi Scrapbookers, it's Katie Scott, and I just wanted to show you some organization bins that I picked up at Ikea, and they are each sectioned off into 3. Well, it looks like they're not really holding up underneath, are they? But they hold up well enough so that I have 4 containers, and so the 4 containers are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and then it just goes through the entire alphabet, so I can find the little pieces easily. So if I have a punch-out sheet like this where I want to organize my alphabet letters, I can just punch them out and then put them into the right category. And I think you can get these at Ikea. They're not, so they've got little plastic inserts here. It looks like they do get a little bit muffled on the bottom, but honestly it hasn't been a problem for me. So say I wanted to spell my name, Katie. I would go to the KL, and let's get, there's a K, a big K, and then let's just get an I while we're at it, since we're in, the I's are going to be in here too. Let's just see. I'll take this I. So I got K-A. I need an A. Let's see. I'm proving it to you as much as I'm proving it to myself. Okay, so I don't want 2 blues there. I want to make it look a little bit different for the T. Oops, K-A-T. Oops, I took out 1 too many there. K-A-T. Seems like I ought to be going faster, huh? It's okay. Putting that one back in where it goes, and then I need an E. So let's go with a different looking E, but not that bright. I think this one looks good. So there, I've spelled my name, K-A-T-I-E, and then I can just put all of the bins back, and they kind of fit together easily. And then all of my letters, my cut-apart letters, are in one place. So that's just one way to organize your kind of cut-apart letters if you have them. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie Scott, and my blog is called Kiss and Tell Scrapbooking. Thanks for watching.